one of the dirty tricks that ERISA disability carriers or plans use when you're on claim and represented by an attorney? I've found that unfortunately many disability carriers and plans are not above board. Even though they know that you're represented, they will send you forms to fill out and they'll never copy your lawyer with those forms. And I've even had situations where they've attempted to schedule a not so independent medical examination and didn't copy me. Fortunately, in these situations, our clients are calling us and saying, hey, I've got these forms that the disability carrier plan wants us to fill them out. What should I do with them? Or can you look at the draft that I've done and would you submit it for me? Or, by the way, I've got this letter and they say they want an examination of me. What's going on? If you get a letter from the disability carrier and you're represented and you don't see that your lawyer has been CC'd on it, the alarms should go off. And you should be on the phone with the attorney and say, did you get this letter or do you know anything about the IME? And there might be, might be that they don't. And it's not because they're not actively involved. It's because the disability carrier plan is trying to sandbag you and your attorney. Now, even if you get the form and there's a CC on it showing that your attorney got it, I think you still should be calling your attorney and saying, hey, I got it. What should I be doing? How are we going to work together so that the document is completed properly, so it's submitted timely? And by the way, what should I be doing in terms of preparing for this not so independent medical examination? You can see that this is one of the dirty tricks that disability carriers or plans will use in an effort to deny or terminate your benefits. Don't be sandbagged. Call your lawyer, and if you have any questions about your ERISA disability claim or questions about a denial or termination, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. We can help you regardless of where you live in the United States, regardless of what your disabling medical condition might be, and regardless of who that disability carrier plan might be. Call today, 727-894-3188.